Well, this has been an experience of a lifetime in so many different ways. There's so much I can say about this, but I'll try to summarize a few high points, the different levels. And first of all, I learned all about Panchakarma detox experience, which your whole body is cleansed inside and out. It's been amazing treatments here every day, 2 massages and I had special treatments for my eyes. I had other treatments and they tailor it to your system. I was taken care of by the staff here who are really great. I've got 2 personal masseuses who I got to know quite well, and they got to know me. And I had my own personal doctor who knew what I needed, and she took care of me. And this was all for a 2-week reset for me in the beginning of 2026 to help me start the year on the right foot. And I still don't know the whole impact, but I've lost weight. I feel more relaxed. I've got some time to relax. It forces you to relax, and so I'm feeling very good for the new year. I've changed my habits, and I'm going to take a lot of these habits into the new year. I've made some resolutions, and then just being part here, the whole thing in India was amazing. I got an opportunity to go out and explore some of the neighboring villages. I got to get to know so many people here. We had a wonderful community of the group that came with Sadhama, and they've become very good friends, very close, and I'll carry that forward. I met people here at the Greens Ayurvedic from all around the world. It's a real good vibe to it, and everyone here is open and friendly, so it's a positive experience, and I'll stay in touch with some of them as well. And so there's just so much here that I'm taking away. I'd highly recommend it to anybody who wants to start the year on the right foot and make the most of the year. I certainly feel like I've come a long way. I've had some emotional things come through while I was here, as well as the physical things. So I'm looking forward now to going back and changing the way I behave in a number of areas and have a really good 2026. I learned a lot. I mean, I didn't know what Panchakarma was. I knew a little bit about Ayurvedic, and so they have classes here. They have various offerings that you can go as an optional basis, and they explain how everything works. I learned how to do a foot massage, and I was able to practice that. I learned how to do the head massage, and I practiced that on somebody. I got the instructions I'm going to take home with me, and I learned how to cook khichdi, Indian food, and they got the instructions. Again, I'm going to try that when I get back. So I learned a lot, and it's a lot to take in, and they also gave me some medicine to address concerns that I have, and so I've learned a lot, and they keep you busy here, but you also have time to rest, time to explore, time to think, which is something that I certainly wouldn't have had if I stayed home. They had dancers, traditional Kerala dancers, and traditional martial arts people. Some of these things I find they could be a bit touristy, but this was not. This is local people who were really expressing themselves, and yes, they had the drumming and the dancing, and we went out on the boat cruise, which was a great experience. I took a lot of great photos. Again, I'm a photographer. I had more than ample opportunity to take photos, so that helped me keep me motivated and satisfied. So it was well done here, and the whole community here is just very natural and relaxing, and you can ask anybody anything, and a lot of good conversations. So it was all very good.